Evaluation of mutual fund. How to evaluate? Following the parameters are used to evaluate the performance of mutual funds. What are the parameters? Quantitative parameter, qualitative parameter. That has two major parameters. Inside quantitative parameter, risk adjustment return, benchmark return, comparison to peers, comparison of return across different economic market cycle, financial measures, example expense ratio, Sharpe ratio and Tyner ratio. These are the ratios to be compared. What do you mean a risk adjustment error? So how the risk has been adjusted based upon the benchmark and how the return has been there. How what is the money which I have invested? How what the money I have got out and what is a liquid illiquid asset and how long it will take to recover my as asset what money invested, how long it will take and how it is being adjusted, risk is reduced or risk is being increased. Benchmark returns, so this is the benchmark for this asset, how well this benchmark and asset is moving on. Third, comparison to peers. So within the sector you can see how this mutual fund unit is performing with its similar units, comparison of return across different economic and motorcycle. So when you see a mutual fund unit you can see what are the sectors usually they have, so how that performance is it's directly linked with this comparison of return. So example, this mutual fund is mostly investing in SBI sector. So how this banking sector is performing, so that SBI linked mutual fund is moving on. Whether the growth of this banking sector and as major unit holding of SBI unit shares is linked to it. So that's how you can see qualitative thing. What is quality? And other formulas you can use. And quality of the portfolio, how is the portfolio is being, equity how much, debt how much, gold is how much. So you can see that track record and competence of mutual fund manager, how the mutual fund manager works on, how is your track record, how much profit he has got during this year, how much loss he is got during the years, how many what is his qualification, that kind of things you can see. Credibility of the fund house team, so how they have invested, how his team will they succeed on their assumptions, such a things are the evaluation of mutual fund.